Hook a flower baby hat with spring colors. Hide the baby for a whole spring. Tutorial is simple. As soon as you learn, prepare a ball of snowball feathers and a seedling Handmade crochet. Ring starter. After the starting needle is completed, hook 2 lock needles. Then hook 12 long needles in the online circle. Pin end tightening coil. Hook a lead needle over the first entry. The second loop first hooks 2 lock pins. This circle. Crochet 2 long needles on each stitch. A total of 24 long needles were crocheted. End of lap 2. Hook a lead needle over the first entry. The third circle first hooks 2 lock pins. Stick a long needle in the first stitch. Add a stitch to the second stitch. Hook 2 long needles. So add another stitch every other stitch. Repeat crochet. A total of 12 needles are added. Crochet 36 long needles. End of the third round. The fourth lap first hooks 2 lock pins. Hook a long needle at the first entry. Add a stitch to the second stitch. Hook 2 long needles. Hook a long needle over the third stitch. In this way, 4 long needles per hook are in a group. Repeat crochet. A total of 12 needles are added. Crochet 48 long needles. End of fourth lap. The fifth turn first hooks 2 lock pins. First, crochet 3 long needles in sequence. Add another stitch to the next stitch. Hook 2 long needles. So add 1 stitch every 3 stitches. Repeat crochet. Also add 12 stitches. Crochet 60 long needles. Laps 6 and 7 later. The number of stitches does not change. Each loop is crocheted with 60 long needles. No hook and pull needle required after lap 7 is completed. Let's crochet back and forth. Row 8, first hooks 2 lock pins. Flip. On each needle in order. Each crochet a long needle. A total of 60 long needles were crocheted. The next rows 9 to 13. Repeat the crochet method in row 8. Crochet back and forth. Each row is crocheted with 60 long needles. End of row 13. And here is the body of the cap. Next, the crochet lace. First, hook 2 lock pins. Flip. Hook a long needle at the first entry. Add a stitch to the second stitch. Hook 2 long needles. So add another stitch every other stitch. Repeat crochet. A total of 30 needles are added. Crochet 60 long needles. Second circle of lace. Again, 1 more every other time. There are 135 stitches in total after completion. Hook a lock pin after the second circle of lace is completed. Then cut the thread to hide the thread. Next, hook the part of the meter rope on these sides. Hook 60 lock pins. 60 lock pins complete. Return to the penultimate lock pin bar. A thread above the lock pin. Hook a pull needle here. Continue later. Crochet a lead needle on each stitch. A total of 59 lead needles were crocheted. 59 pins complete. In the same needle entry. Hook a pull needle. Then cut the thread. Hidden thread. Finish the straps on the other side the same way. Next, crochet decorative flowers. Ring starter. Hook a lock needle after starting the needle. Then tick 5 short needles in the online circle. Five stitches end. Tighten line coupons. Hook a lead needle over the first short needle mesh. The next part to crochet the petals. First, hook 2 lock pins. Hook 2 long needles in the first entry. Two locking pins. Hook a lead needle in the same thread. Here's how you finish the first petal. Continue to crochet a set of petals on each stitch. 5 petals crocheted in total. Cut the thread when the 5th petal is complete. Hidden thread. After the flowers are hooked, use a hot glue gun to stick it to the lush body. After the flowers are glued, our cute little hat is done. See you next time!